All right, this is our day 2. This is our second like real hunt. We came way up north today. Right, many birds closer to the town. See what happens. It's raining though. I don't know if that's good or bad. We will find out. Is it all woodcock today, Boone? Uh-oh. Good job, bud. I got him. It's our 3rd woodcock flush. I'm gonna reload. Where is it? It's somewhere in here. Boone, it's over here. Come here. Find it. Where is it? Come here. Find it. There you go. Good boy. Good job, Boone. Let me see it. You can bring it to me. There we go. We've had 3 flushes. That was the first shot. No grouse yet. It's so wet in here right now. Yeah! Boone, you walked right by that one. Goofball. I hear him. You better get him. I get credit for that one, Boone. Oh, you missed that. That's 2 quick birds. Good boy. Another little one. That's our second of the year. It's only the, well, we've seen 3 grouse. That's it. But one of them was on the trail way ahead of us and it just flew off into the woods, so we never went after it. Dang bird would not get off the ground. Shoot. He was running and then he flew super low and slow. So by the time I shot, he was way the heck out there because I didn't know if the dog was gonna chase him. Gosh dang it. I don't think I hit him. I don't even know where I'd look. Oh, I got him. Holy cow. Booner right here. Booner. Booner, come. Right here. Get him. Get him! Good boy! Get him, Boone! Good boy! Good boy! I did get him. Wow. This bear. Get him, Boone! Get him! You don't let him get away. Get him, Boone. Good. Come here. Bring him here. Watch out. Watch out. Good job, bud. Good boy. Can't believe I got him. Watch out, bud. Let me get him. Good boy. Hey, hey, let me have him. Good boy. All right, number 3 in the year. Two today. 1 woodcock, 3 for 3. All right, we're gonna actually, it's so boggy in here and it got so thick back there, we're gonna head out to the more open cut. Hopefully we can get some better shooting in. He was flushing a couple back there, but it's too thick. I couldn't even get my gun up. Hardly walk through it. I don't shoot. Nice flush, bud. Good flush. Good boy. Go find it. Good job, Boone. Right at me. Good job. Get it, bud. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. That's a pretty one, huh, Boone? Is that a pretty one? Look at that. Good flush, Boone. Good flush. Nice bird. 4, 2 and 2. Oh, I'm soaked. This has been a great hunt. Nice and cold. Beat some hot days. Get it. Nice flush, Boone. Nice flush. Good boy. Thing was sitting right next to that stump. Gosh dang. Man, we're having a good day. Unreal. Over here, bud. Over here. Where is it? Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Oh, there it is. Right there, bud. Right there. Good boy. Good boy. Good job, Boone. Number 3 on the day. 3 grouse and 2 woodcock. What a day. Okay, here you go. Bring it here. Boone, here. Here, give. Labrador lever. Good boy. Okay, drop, 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 drop. Boone, you're gonna rip its head off. Goofball. That's another little one. Well, that's why you don't eat the head, Goof. Oh man, this is like a little secret trail. I don't know, it's off the highway, but you can't see it, so nobody knows it's there. There's a lot of moose in here too. I'm sure some people know, but the moose shed hunters know. Like that, from a moose. this is all like for moose shed hunting. We're not gonna go any further. There are gonna be birds out in this crop. But if you want to find moose sheds, this is the place to be. So come and get them. Alright, let's go back, bud. That was a fun day.